Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Green. I want to share a story with you. The story is called Schubert and Sophie Stay Home. It's by Dr. Becky Bailey through Conscious Discipline. Things in Bug Valley have been different lately. Schubert and Sophie have been at home for many days. There's a new virus that's making a lot of people sick. Staying home helps keep families safe and healthy, and it helps keep the virus from spreading. People all over the world are staying home. The first few days at home together were fun for Schubert and Sophie. It was kind of like spring break or a snow day. One morning, after about a week of staying home, Schubert woke up grumpy. He grumbled about doing his schoolwork, he grumbled about being at home, and about missing his soccer games. He grumbled about everything. Sophie woke up grumpy that very same day. She cried, "I miss my school family. I miss my friends. And I'm angry my field trip to the zoo was canceled." Their grumpy feelings turned into grumpy actions. Sophie grabbed Schubert's pencil as he did his schoolwork. Schubert yelled, "Stop! Mom, Sophie keeps bothering me." Mom was feeling grumpy that day too. She snapped at Schubert and Sophie, "Can't you two just stop fighting?" Dad growled loudly, "Enough!" It was like the whole family had forgotten how to solve problems. They forgot how to ask for a turn. They forgot how to use their big voices. They even forgot how to take a deep belly breath. Some days staying at home was hard. Mom and Dad heard the frustration in their own voices and felt the knots in their stomach. They looked at each other and then both took 3 deep breaths together. Finally, Dad said, "It's hard to have so many changes. It seems like we're all feeling big feelings like sad and frustrated." Mom said, "Schubert, you wanted to go to your soccer games and practice with your friends." Schubert nodded. Mom continued, "Sophie, you wanted to go to the zoo with your class and play with your friends." Sophie nodded. Mom continued, "We can all handle staying home. It's hard, but we can handle it. Breathe with me." The whole family took 3 slow, deep breaths together. Their shoulders relaxed, their eyes softened, and the knots in their stomachs faded away. That evening at dinner, Schubert said, "One of our assignments from Mrs. Bookbinder is to write down one thing we're grateful for each day. Even after my grumpy day, I wrote that I'm grateful for my family." Sophie had an idea. Let's all share a gratefulness. So they took turns sharing their gratitude. It felt so wonderful that they decided to make sharing gratefulness a regular part of their dinner time ritual. All right, the end. So I hope that each one of you is staying safe and healthy, and I want to challenge you to think of something you're grateful for. That can help you look at something positive in the middle of all this. And when you take deep breaths, you want to breathe in with your nose and then out through your mouth. And if you can, put your hand over your stomach so that you can feel if the breath is moving your stomach. So it should be in, just like that. All right, thank you so much for listening, and I hope to see you all soon, and I love and miss all of you. Thank you.